Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I have an amazing recipe for you guys, and it is the starter recipe which you can serve to your guests or just make it for yourself. And it is the spicy garlicky corn on the cobs, and guys, I'm telling you, it is so different and so unique that you will always want to eat corn this way. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So guys, to enjoy this quick delicious starter of spicy garlicky corn on the cob, I've taken 2 boiled corn and I've cut them into 6 equal pieces. And now I'm simply going to insert a skewer in the center of the piece. And guys, if you don't have these long skewers, don't worry, just cut the corn into 9 equal pieces. So just basically make the pieces much smaller and then insert a toothpick. And now guys, let's take a pan, turn on the flame, and let's add 2 tablespoons of butter. And using a spoon, I'm going to spread this butter around so as to grease all of the surface of the pan. And once the pan is nicely greased and the butter is almost melted, let's add about 4 to 5 garlic which I've finely chopped, followed by half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. And now guys, let's mix it around and let's cook the garlic for about 40 to 45 seconds. 45 seconds later, my house is smelling so good. The aroma is everywhere. It's just totally mouth-watering. So guys, now it's time for us to start adding the boiled corn on the cobs along with the skewers on top of the pan. And we are going to cook them for about a minute or until you start seeing a little bit of the color change from all sides of the corn. Do keep changing the position after every minute. After a minute guys, it's time for us to change the position of the corn and see the garlic is sticking on top of the corn, and that is what is going to give that deep flavor to the corn. And once all of the corn is nicely coated with the garlic and the butter and has a slight change in color, then it's time for us to remove it out in a plate. And then we are going to start working on the sauce that we are going to apply on top of these already delicious corn on the cob. So in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, which is tomato ketchup. And then we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now I've taken eggless mayonnaise over here. And then we are going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is not very spicy. It will just enhance the color and the look of our starter recipe. Then I just added 1/8 teaspoon of chaat masala, followed by half teaspoon of chili flakes. And then we are also going to add pinch of black pepper powder, followed by juice of half a lime. Now guys, without lime, that khatta, chatpata, sweet and sour taste you're not going to get. So definitely do add a good amount of lime. And I also added about 1 teaspoon of coriander, fresh coriander leaves. And now we are simply going to mix everything. Oh, I totally forgot to add some salt, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now guys, be very careful when you're adding salt because the tomato sauce, mayonnaise, chaat masala already has some salt content in it, so just add very little of salt. And once we are done with that, then let's simply take a brush and let's apply this sauce on top of all of the corns. I'm telling you guys, this is as simple as it looks, and it is going to be really delicious. So you don't have to stress about what starter to make when your friends are coming over. Simply make this easy peasy delicious starter and you become the star of the party. And now let's just simply sprinkle some more fresh coriander leaves and our starter is ready to serve, guys. Do let me know what you think about this recipe. Do leave me some comments and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.